Welcome to Dr. Fred Markets. This is not financial advice. Every day, the world of finance, crypto, and artificial intelligence moves fast, really fast, and staying informed is the only way to stay ahead. That's exactly what we do here, together. Let's get into today's video.
Imagine a world where AI fuels everything, and crypto is the currency of choice. Are we closer than ever? Did you know that the speed of AI developments today is outpacing even the most optimistic forecasts? As we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape, the synergy between AI and crypto is becoming more pronounced, driving not only technological innovation, but market dynamism as well. In today's Financial Pulse, the interplay between these two transformative domains is setting the stage for a new era of opportunities and challenges. With yesterday's slight dip in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and today's stock market rally led by tech giants like Nvidia and Microsoft, what's the broader narrative at play here? As the S&P 500 futures edge higher after the extension of the Israel-Lebanon ceasefire, we're reminded of how global geopolitical decisions can ripple through financial markets. How often do we consider the underlying factors that drive these prices, as opposed to mere surface-level numbers? In this intricate dance, we see powerful forces like AI reshaping industries, and in tandem, the potential of cryptocurrency offering new models of economic interaction. Could the integration of AI and blockchain technology revolutionize finance as we know it? Let's dive deeper. Microsoft announced its first-ever buyout, signaling strategic moves that correlate with its recent 2.13% stock increase to $424.62. This comes amidst the background of Intel's shareholders rejoicing as the stock soared, anticipating one of its best days in 40 years. One must ask, is this rally purely driven by innovative momentum, or is there something more profound under the surface? In our interconnected digital economy, the importance of AI is more evident than ever. Consider Meta's new partnership with AWS to deploy agentic AI on Amazon's Graviton chips. This collaboration signifies more than just a business agreement. It's emblematic of AI's explosive growth and its potential to power more efficient, intelligent cloud services. How many of us truly understand the significance of Graviton chips and their role in optimizing computational processes for AI applications? In simple terms, Graviton chips are designed to deliver better performance at lower costs, particularly suited for cloud-based AI applications. They leverage ARM architecture, which offers reduced power consumption and increased processing efficiency, ideal for the massive data demands of machine learning tasks. Meta's strategic positioning with AWS and these chips suggests a robust pipeline for future AI-driven innovations. But let's not forget about crypto, steadily integrating into the mainstream. Despite a slight dip, with Bitcoin at $77,325 and Ethereum at $237.6, the narrative is one of resilience. Cryptocurrencies are no longer confined to niche markets. Rather, they're becoming pivotal assets in portfolios and discussions around digital finance. Now here's a thought. What if the convergence of AI and crypto is more imminent than we think? The technological infrastructures of both are growing increasingly interconnected. Imagine a future where smart contracts, powered by advanced AI, handle complex transactions autonomously while being securely recorded on blockchain networks. This potential future shifts today's tech-driven gains into tomorrow's transformative financial systems. Just as you're contemplating these possibilities, consider this. Nvidia's stock is up by 4.32% to $208.27, reflecting optimism towards its AI acceleration capabilities, primarily driven by its powerful GPUs that lead the market in AI computing tasks. Now imagine these GPUs not just advancing gaming and visual graphics, but taking charge of data-heavy operations across AI and crypto networks. As we hit the cliffhanger, ponder this. The world's financial frontier could be on the brink of merging finance, AI, and blockchain into a seamless whole. What breakthroughs lie in the crosshairs of these converging technologies? Next, we'll uncover the strategies that tech giants are employing to steer the course of this digital revolution. Once again, turning to the realm of crypto, it's noticeable how blockchain offers transparency, security, and decentralization characteristics that AI development can substantially benefit from.
Let's pause for a second. Ask yourself this. Do you really understand what's happening in the markets right now? Do you know how this affects your money, your savings, your future? Most people don't, and that's exactly why you're here. Let's keep going.
As AI systems grow increasingly complex, ensuring trustworthiness and fairness becomes critical. Blockchain's immutable ledger can play a crucial role in providing transparency and trust. The collaboration between Meta and AWS isn't just about tech development. It's about harnessing AI to mine meaningful insights while safeguarding user data against misuse, a prime example of how these themes blend. Meanwhile, the recent market dip indicates a momentary pause in an otherwise upward trajectory in digital assets acceptance and integration into traditional financial systems. On a regulatory note, the advancements in AI also beckon a question about governance. How do we regulate the rapid growth of AI without stifling its potential? This makes blockchain's decentralized oversight particularly attractive. Are we prepared to embrace this transformation responsibly? Moving toward our conclusion, there are three cutting-edge implications to consider with this burgeoning AI crypto nexus. First, investment strategies need reevaluation. With assets like Nvidia, Meta, and Microsoft leading the tech-driven charge, strategic investment in tech stocks could lead to significant gains. Second, understanding emerging technologies is now more vital than ever for financial literacy. AI's impact across various industries cannot be ignored, and knowledge of blockchain and cryptocurrencies is important for future-proofing one's asset base. Thirdly, there's an implicit call to action for policymakers to ensure that as we move towards this holistic tech ecosystem, regulations are developed to foster innovation while safeguarding ethical standards. As you contemplate these insights, take a bold step towards understanding how these forces shape your financial decisions and future opportunities. Engage with the digital economy's intricate layers, invest time in learning about blockchain and AI, and don't merely observe, participate in this digital evolution. For those ready to dive deeper, I urge you to stay informed, research actively, and discuss these trends within your circle. Are we on the cusp of a market where cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum become as regular as fiat currencies? Will AI define not just our economic strategies, but our ethical foundations? Consider the implications today and prepare for the opportunities and challenges of tomorrow's interconnected digital economy. Thank you for tuning in. If you found these insights valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's grow and learn together to make informed, strategic decisions in this rapidly evolving world. As we navigate this transformative period, it's crucial to embrace continuous learning and adaptability. The tools and knowledge of today may rapidly evolve, becoming the bedrock of our future interactions. It's not just about understanding the technology itself, but also about grasping its societal impacts and ethical dimensions. Blockchain, for example, offers not only a decentralized ledger for cryptocurrencies, but promises innovation in fields as varied as supply chain transparency, voting systems, and even digital identity verification. Similarly, AI goes beyond simple automation. It is the next frontier in personalized learning, precision medicine, and predictive analytics. But with great innovations come great responsibilities. We must ask ourselves, how do we ensure that these technologies empower rather than exploit? It is imperative to approach these advancements with a balanced perspective, advocating for inclusivity, transparency, and fairness. This might involve shaping new regulatory frameworks or fostering collaborations between technologists, policymakers, and ethicists. I encourage each of you to reflect on where you fit within this mosaic. What role will you play? What opportunities will you seize or help create? Remember, the future isn't just something we enter into, it's something we actively build. Engage, question, and contribute to this dynamic dialogue. Your insights and actions will not only influence your personal trajectory, but can also steer our collective progress toward a more equitable and prosperous future. This is not financial advice. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and check the links in the first comment below.
That's a wrap for today on Dr. Fred Markets. I hope this gave you something to think about, a new angle, a clearer picture, a better question to ask. Remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, always. If this video added value to your day, subscribe. It's free, it takes 2 seconds, and it's the best way to support this work and keep it free for everyone. You'll You'll also find every video as a full article on the blog, drfredmarkets.com, and the newsletter is in the bio. I'm Dr. Fred Markets. See you in the next one.